Today's video is one a lot of you guys have been wanting me to make for a while. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your G35 and 350Z pop extremely loud, like so. Let's get into it. First off, what's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to smash that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, and if you guys found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up for me as well. Today's video actually was filmed about 2 or 3 weeks ago, except for my intro right here. So you guys might notice the body of the car might be a bit different, like the rear lid. I don't think we had it primered yet. Stuff like that, in case you're wondering. But, well, as you can see, it is primered right now, but in the next few clips, it's not going to be. But in this video, I did want to set up a GoPro. If you guys have not seen my previous video, make sure to check it out. It's a really good one. But my girlfriend actually got me a GoPro. I wanted to do this video with it and do some like suction it right here and actually get the exhaust. But I think we're gonna hold off on that until when I actually get the exhaust done, just so I could get this video out to you guys. So be expecting another video of actually a close-up of the exhaust as we're driving it. But anyways, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, guys, so first things first, if you look at your whatever you want to call this, where you put your key, you're going to notice a few numbers. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is off, 2 is accessories, 3 is on, 4 is start. So pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and actually start your car. Go ahead and turn that down. You're going to want to actually go ahead and start your car, and then you're going to want to rev it up to about 2,500 RPMs. And then once you do that, you're going to want to hold it there. Go ahead and turn the key like this. I think it's to about 2. So you're going to want to go from on, the car actually started, to 2 to back on quickly. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. So you're going to want to rev it up like that. I don't want to keep it too long because I'm in the garage and I don't want to die. So as you saw, we revved it up to about 2,500 RPMs, and then I went ahead and killed it and restarted it really fast. That's what you guys are going to want to do. I don't know 100% what this actually is doing. My guess is as you're revving it and then you kill the car and restart the car, I think you're just allowing even more fuel to dump in to get basically the louder pops. So is this good for your car? Probably not. Is it bad? I do it here and there. As long as you're not doing it every single time you drive your car, I think you should be fine. Now also, depending on what exhaust setup you have is going to determine how loud of pops you get. Now my pops, video do absolutely no justice of how insanely loud and ear-piercing my pops are. Now the reason for it is I have test pipes, so I don't have any cats at all, not resonated test pipes, nothing, just straight test pipes, all the way back into a vibrant, ultra quiet resonator, which really is not quiet at all, into pretty much nothing. And now it's single exhaust, so I don't know how it's gonna be yet, but you guys are gonna find out soon once I actually get the exhaust done. But that's my setup. So if you guys do have cats, it'll probably still be loud, maybe not just as loud, but if you have cats and say a muffler and resonator delete, it might sound good. I really don't know, but you guys know how to do it. So with that being said, let me go ahead and show you what it actually does to your car.
Something's rattling. I don't know what the fuck it is. Sounds fucking crazy, huh?
That's what a real car's supposed to sound like. Oh my god.
Really? I don't think I've been in the car yet. Have you've been in it, right? With that sound, how is it? Loud? Fuck. Ooh, stinky.
Is that loud?
That.
Wow. What's up, dude? That's gotta be so much fun doing that, bro. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you guys the best that I can and how it sounds in the car. But one thing I can say is if you don't have much gas, there's not gonna be any gas to make your exhaust pop. But I'm gonna try the best that I can. Alright, so like I showed you earlier, we're gonna rev it up. Alright. And that should be it. So you can do this if you have a manual, it should work. And if you have an auto like me, it works as well. So you could do this in drive mode or in Tiptronic mode. Pretty much what I usually do is I'll kind of like when I don't really know how to explain it. I'll let off the gas and that alone will make it pop, but to get even more pops or sometimes louder pops, I'll feather it a little bit. Oh, that person just got pulled over and we're about to go make my car pop really loud. But I'll kind of feather it a little bit, not to where you're gassing it, but just enough to where you're allowing some excess fuel to get in, and that right there will get it to pop as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually keep this in Tiptronic mode or manual mode, and let's see what we can make happen on this much gas. So there's a cop literally right there. So let's see. Alright, I'm gonna actually make a U-turn because I don't want to do this right by a cop right there. Alright guys, so right now I'm in, like I said, manual mode, first gear. And just like that. So pretty much like I said, what I'm doing is gassing the car and then letting off the gas and then slowly like kind of feathering the gas a little bit. And as you shift, it'll do it too. Like that. But we'll do it in second gear. So it's not actually as loud right now, only because I don't have much gas. Like I said, you can't get it to pop if you don't have really any gas. And I don't have anything. But let me try it again. So we're gonna go down to second gear. Actually, let's do first gear. U-turn. And I am gonna be getting my GoPro up and going soon, so I can do better videos. First gear. That was a good one. Go ahead and call it at that because like I said, there is a cop right there. But hopefully the you guys can't even see. Hopefully the footing, what I try to show you the best that I can right now, hopefully that explains it. I'm kind of letting off, that alone is going to make it pop. And then feathering it a little bit will just get louder pops. And yeah, and that's basically it. So I'll see you guys back at the shop. Alright Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys try it and if it works. And just let me know what you guys think down below. Enjoy, have fun, be safe, and don't get into too much trouble. And if you guys aren't already, like I said earlier, please make sure to smash that big red subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to catch you all in the next one. And until then, as always, peace out.